Hi, I'm Dave Kerr, Cherry Bekaert partner in charge of all things Sage software, and I have a short presentation for you. I started my career with Ernst, and I worked in audit and tax, and so I have a really good idea about what you're all up against, although I was based in Honolulu, so you can't hold that against me. Kerr Consulting was acquired by Cherry Bekaert back in August 2024, and we are so happy to be a part of the team. Just a little bit about the legacy of Kerr Consulting. Our clients are located in all 50 states and 23 countries, and our people are spread primarily across the United States and Canada. We support all the Sage products, and there are many Sage products. Our request is that if you hear that a client has Sage, just contact us and we will take great care of them. Be aware that we also have our own intellectual property we call our AnyWare Apps, and those help fill some of the holes in the software. But we need your eyes and ears, especially during tax season. This is that one time, each year where you're touching pretty much every client. So if you have clients that are using QuickBooks, let us know. If you have a construction client and they're on QuickBooks, please let us know, because Sage 100 Contractor is a similar price to QuickBooks, has superior functionality, and it even includes union-capable payroll. On the process manufacturing side, if you have any clients that make things in batches, making food, pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, chemicals, Sage X3 is an amazing product and kills the competition. So we've got a Sage solution for pretty much any client that you might be working with. Also keep in mind that we can sell and implement Sage Intacct with Attest clients. So the answer is yes, we can do that. Can we sell and implement Sage Intacct with an SEC client? No. And we also have to be careful with our Attest clients using our intellectual property. But we can sell and implement standard Sage Intacct with an Attest client. And lastly, I want to invite you and your family members to go with us to Guatemala. We're heading down there again in July. We go every year to volunteer in an orphanage. It's an amazing experience. It'll change your perspective. We love to take teenagers with us. There's my son, adopted son in the middle with a little 5-year-old. And here's a picture of the entire group in the backyard of the orphanage, and then one at 6,300 foot elevation. Beautiful day we had at this place called Bonanza, and we'd love to have you go with us. Beautiful weather in Guatemala in July. So if you're interested in that, please let me know. My contact information, so dave.kerr@cbh.com. Any opportunity that you have, you can send that to myself, or you can send it to sage@cbh.com, sage@cbh.com, and we would love to work with you. After busy season, we're going to be on site, and we're going to look forward to meeting you all in person. But thank you for watching, and go Team Cherry Bekaert.